Now that you have created a page in your module, I'm going to show you how to edit the page to add your curriculum. So the first thing you do is click on Edit, and this opens up what we call the rich text editor, and you can use any of these icons to create your page just like you would a Google Doc. So I'm going to just start typing in. I'm going to do a quick class notes on how to read in Spanish. And I can highlight and I can make it bold. I can change my font. I can change the style. And I've already created a video of me explaining how to read in Spanish. So I'm going to embed my video. I've already uploaded my video to YouTube with Screencastify. So what I do is I click on Share, Embed, I click on the HTML, and I copy. And I go back to my Canvas page, and I use this little icon here. It's the Insert, Edit, Media. And I'm going to embed. I like to embed because that opens up the video for them like on the page. They don't have to click to go see it. And then I like to change the size of my video because lots of my students use the Canvas app on their phone, and this makes it a little bit easier for them to see. And I can continue typing. I can say instructions, and maybe I want to give them some steps. I can do that. Have them look for cognates. Oops, I spelled that wrong. Cognates, there we go. And now I have a cool document that I created in Google Docs, and I'm going to link it to my class notes. Here's my doc, and I'm going to share it. And because the students have different email endings than we do, I have to change my setting here for them. I usually do anyone with the link can access my page. If you don't open this up for them, then they'll get the need access or don't have access error. And I'm going to copy my link, and then I'm going to go back to Canvas. I'm going to insert my link with this little icon here. And I don't want them to be able to edit my page, so I don't want them to change it. I'm going to make them copy, and this will have them click on it and save a copy in their drive. Then they can have it to print out if they want. Once you have added all the curriculum that you would like for your page, make sure that you save it. And I also sometimes like to go into student view to make sure that looks good from their end too. Hope you enjoyed this.